Hi everybody, and welcome back to Amazing Tech for All. Today we are looking at how to block adverts on your internet browser. There is a plugin for Firefox that does all of this for you. So let's go on to a website like BBC and let's just see what it looks like. There we go. And you'll see that there'll be adverts probably played on the top. There we go. There's some ads and so on. Some of them you're not even aware are adverts. You'll see, you may not even see them. Here we go. There's an advertisement being played or showed. So how do we stop these things that we did not ask for, but is being downloaded? So let's go on to something called a plugin called AdBlock Plus or AdBlock Plus. So AdBlock Plus. So we can go to AdBlock Plus. I'm using Firefox as my preferred browser. So I'll go get AdBlock Plus for Firefox. This will add it to the plugins functionality. There we go. It is added and I'm allowing it to run in the private windows as well. So add there. And there it appears on my screen over here. So now let's go back to BBC and we can see there's been ads blocked already. I'm just going to refresh this page and see how many ads. There we go. The ad numbers is just growing, as climbing and climbing. You can see that the big banner that had an advert on the top is now missing, and you will also start discovering that these other little ads that were in between the articles are now missing as well. You can try a variety of websites and you'll suddenly see that those ads are all disappearing. So for example, if we go into this little page over here, there's already an ad, 2 ads being added, multiple ads that are being blocked. This was just a quick video on how to block adverts on various websites. Maybe we can try CNN and see if there are ads over there as well. Let's go on to CNN. There we go. Some websites, particularly the news ones, have a lot of adverts going. This is just, and it actually impacts your speed of your network. So your speed of your Wi-Fi will be affected by the ads that are 32 ads on a single website. One page that we logged into, 33 ads that are being blocked. And there we go. AdBlock Plus, a wonderful program to block all ads on your browser.